Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do some cleaning motivation. We're going to be productive around the home. I hope it entertains you or inspires you to do the same. We're starting out with these keto carb friendly pancakes. These are actually really delicious. I do not use water. I use the unsweetened almond milk. And it is really good. Add some fresh berries and some maple syrup because I do not like the aspartame and the low sugar. And this tastes really good. It's a nice healthy treat. And then we're going to continue our day by doing some dishes and cleaning those up. And then after we clean these dishes, we're going to just keep moving along in the home. And I'm going to take you along with me. So let's get started. there are certain areas of the house that we have to clean. I wouldn't say daily, but a couple of times a week maybe, like the kitchen appliances, your kitchen counters. Mine happens to be the appliances, definitely, and the counters, but also our little hallway walkway we have that goes from our front door to our back door. You will see that coming up soon. So I had to work on that a couple of times to really get that clean, and I had to really work on my appliances, as you see in the next couple of scenes, to get those clean and free of the dirt, debris, grease, fingerprints, grime, those sort of things. And I feel like that's something you have to do pretty much a couple times a week, especially if you have a family and you've got kids and you got people putting hands everywhere. The stainless steel appliances can get dirty really fast. My hallway stays dirty. My main hallway stays dirty because of, I guess, the dogs and people coming back and forth between the outside door and the front door. So that really has to have a lot of attention from me as well. And I'm starting the process here, and I'm going to continue doing a little bit more. I like to use a magic eraser here. I like to just use soap and water to begin with, and then bring it at the end with the magic eraser for any spots that the soap and water, such as Dawn and a microfiber cloth, does not get up. So we're going to continue, and we're going to clean this little hallway up. And then we are going to move on to some other areas to focus and inspire you. Thank you so much for supporting today's video, especially if you have come this far. And if you like this sort of thing, if it motivates you or if it's just for entertainment, if you would hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you next time.